Hi, I'm Jim Heppelman, PTC's President and CEO, and I'd like to have a few minutes here today to tell you a bit about PTC and about our position in and our vision for the retail and consumer marketplace. PTC is best known as a company who helps our customers create product and service advantage. We have more than 6,000 employees distributed around the globe who come to work every day with a focus on creating technology-based solutions that transform the way companies create and service their products. We're known as a very innovative company with many first-of-a-kind technology breakthroughs. And we're also trusted by more than 27,000 companies each year to help them advance the way that they create and service products. Now, in the PLM segment in particular, we have a very strong leadership position. Our product development system, which is our integrated technology suite, is built of best-of-breed capabilities, forming a very broad footprint, but integrated together in an integral architecture that ensures we have a high-performance data model and system. We've been very successful with the core technology of this system, which is our Windchill PLM suite. Our Windchill business continues to outgrow the industry on an almost 2-to-1 ratio for many years in a row. We have currently 1.17 million active seats in use in businesses throughout the world. And we look forward to each new opportunity to compete in a benchmark of our technical capabilities because we're very proud of what we have and very confident in our capabilities. Now let me explain what I mean by this concept of product and service advantage. What we're talking about is helping companies put in place a sustained ability to turn their best ideas into their best products and, as appropriate, couple that with their best services. And we think the way to put in place this sustained ability is to use technology-enabled process transformation. Every company wants to have a great product. We help companies put in place a great process for creating products. The special capability, the special sauce of PTC's offering is really this fusion of great technology with deep process know-how. On the technology side, our industry-leading capabilities span the entire product lifecycle. They're very deep in their capabilities and well integrated together. When we take these capabilities together with our process know-how and deploy them in the customer environment in a way that unlocks this tremendous value in a collaborative partnership with the customer, we're able to really make a difference in how the company creates and services their products. Now, in each and every customer engagement, we put customer value at the center of the engagement. In fact, we have an engagement model framework we call the value-centric engagement. And in this engagement approach, we always begin by identifying and clarifying what is the opportunity to create value in this customer environment. And we make sure that that value opportunity is the central theme we're always working on as we plan the system, as we deploy the system, as we guide the adoption and optimization of the system. Then we want to look for an opportunity to validate, is this system achieving the value that we expected it to? And of course, we support the system together with the customer and look for an opportunity then to take it to the next level and to optimize it. And we ask, what is the next incremental value creation opportunity? So this sort of circular approach of start with value and drive back to value and then look for more value is the way that PTC manages and governs each and every one of our implementations. Now, to make sure that we're all on the same page and can guide the customer in a consultative way, we've created a very comprehensive value identification roadmap. This is literally a poster-sized document with a tremendous amount of process intellectual property behind it. We use this with customers to show the customers all the opportunities we've identified over the years to create value. We talk about the process changes that would have to be made to achieve this value. We talk about the business initiatives that are typically driving those processes, and ultimately make sure that the business goals and the technology implementations are aligned to make sure that we're creating value throughout the lifetime of the engagement. Now, this approach has worked very well from a financial standpoint from PTC, and we have today a very successful and growing business. PTC is a large software company. In 2012, we'll have revenue of more than $1.3 billion, and we're a fast-growing company with revenue growth of 16% last year in fiscal 2011, and planning again for 14 or 15% more here in 2012. We're also a company with solid profitability. In 2012, we'll have operating margins of about 20% and should generate somewhere around $250 million of operating profit. Now, if we look at where does that business come from, both by region and by industry vertical, you'll see that PTC is a very global company. In fact, we generate more of our revenue outside the United States than inside the United States. And that's good because many of our customers are themselves global, and they're looking for a partner who can support them in all the different regions of the world where they create products or generate business. If you look at our revenue by vertical, you can see that we're in a number of different product and service type companies. Now, the retail and consumer sector is not the biggest sector at PTC, but it's actually the newest one, and it's the fastest growing one. Just several years ago, 5 to 6, 7 years ago, this was an upstart business at PTC, and today it's already become 7% of our business and one of our fastest growing opportunities. So if we dig in a little bit deeper on the retail and consumer vertical, you can see that this is a business that likewise started in the United States, but is now rapidly expanding throughout the world. We have now 64 major retail and consumer companies using our software in the retail industry, the consumer products industry, the apparel industry, and the footwear industry. We're having a tremendous amount of success. In fact, if you look at how this business has grown over time, you can see it was a startup business when we really secured our first customers back in the 2004 timeframe. But by 2012, we've really achieved an undeniable PLM market leadership position with a tremendous number of successes in large global retailers in different geographies throughout the world. In fact, in just the last 2 years, PTC has landed 35 major retail accounts of the type that you see the logos for here. So this is a very strong business and one in which PTC has the most clear leadership position of all the businesses that we compete in. So I'd like to just summarize and tell you a little bit more in summary about what we think are the advantages of partnering with PTC as you go explore the PLM opportunities within your company. First, from a company standpoint, PTC is a large and successful company with tremendous ability to invest and tremendous staying power. We entered this business in 2004 and have been tremendously successful in the retail and consumer segment and have become the clear leader with a majority of the market share. And this is in fact our fastest growing business. We've done a great job collaborating with our customers through customer advisory boards and other means to generate a fast iteration of our product here being Flex PLM, the Windchill module. So in this case, we've been able to deliver 10 versions of this product in 9 years into this industry and been able to iterate very quickly. Now, one of the things we do is we share our 3-year roadmap with our customers, so there's rarely any surprises. Our customers know what we're working on, and they've had an opportunity to influence what we're working on. So they're able to plan their deployments and their value creation opportunities in concert with PTC's evolving technology roadmap. And then finally, on the support side, the most important thing is what happens after you purchase the technology. And PTC's exclusive value roadmap tool and value-centric engagement methodology ensures that we have an alignment and do the best job possible in realizing time to value. We also have an award-winning support team to support the customer after the deployment, and 24/7 global support around the world, backed up by 440 PTC employees. So I'd like to thank you for spending a few minutes with me here today. And I look forward to the opportunity for PTC to engage with your company, teach you a little bit more about our company, our products, our expertise, and look for the opportunities that we could use to create value in your corporate business environment. Thank you very much.